Hello, in this video, we're going to learn to capture the hexadecimal codes that are produced through a remote control, like this one that uses infrared. Thanks to the infrared receiver you see here, we can obtain the hexadecimal codes and use them in our projects. Here we have the electronic circuit. On this side, we can see the 3 pins of the infrared receiver. They're the signal pin, the negative and the positive. If they are placed like this, the signal goes to pin 13 of the microcontroller, but it could be sent to any available pin. This is the code I used. This is the library I use in the project. If you don't have it, it's loaded as follows. We go to the Program option, Include Library, Manage Libraries, and write iRemote. Install the library and use it in our project. That is the pin we're going to use with the infrared receiver. We declare the variables we're going to use later. We start the serial monitor. We use the necessary command to start the hexadecimal code reception service. When we start to send hexadecimal signals, we will receive it with the speed of 9600 baud, and it will be printed in the serial window, with a 500 millisecond delay. Using our remote control, we press buttons and see in the serial window the different hexadecimal codes that appear. We can use these codes in our projects. To use a code, we select it like this, copy it, and paste it into our sketches. For the Arduino to interpret it as a hexadecimal, we have to add a 0 and an X in front of it. As you can see, it's very convenient to add hexadecimal codes in our projects. Therefore, we can use infrared controls to activate or deactivate components that are connected to our ESP32.